Hey guys, it's Daniel here. It's been a while since I made the last video. Jesus, I think it's like 2 weeks. But ladies and gentlemen, I am back. I'm back into the business. And in today's video I want to tell you what the hell was happening, where the hell I was, how is our portfolio performing, and what is the future and how do I see it. So let's start. Where the fuck have I been for 2 weeks? So first of all, as some of you know, I want to take our portfolio on eToro to another level. So I was finishing my certificate from corporate finance on University of Columbia in New York, and I got it, ladies and gentlemen, I got it. So I'm very happy for that. Then I was doing lots of the new courses, from marketing to finance to anything that fucking exists. I was learning at work, I was learning at home, I was learning everywhere. I was just learning every single day to have new courses, certificates, etc. Because guys, knowledge is the power. It always was, it always will be. We always have to develop, so we will not miss any new opportunities. Then I've been working on another thing. I want to bring new investors to eToro, investors from outside of eToro, from outside the platform, the big investors, someone who's actually gonna put in hundreds of thousands of dollars, even $1 million. Well, I haven't got $1 million clients yet, but I got few, actually 2 clients who will be depositing $100,000+ to the platform, and they should be joining by the end of the summer. We have to time the market, so they will join at the best time. We're currently at 55. We got some of our clients have left already. Let's be honest here, we haven't been performing well, okay? Like look, since May, in May we've been down by 6.5%, and in June actually we've been down around 3%. And yeah, you know, I understand, and someone who joined it in the May, you know, actually in the end of the April, the guys were down just 10%, and I can understand that. But yo, most of you stayed, many new people joined, so we continue in the work, guys. I am back. Let's become the best we possibly can. Let's overtake the eToro platform together. But back to the things that I was talking about, guys. In the end of this year, or in the beginning of next year, which should be January, maximum February, I will be actually leaving my work and I will become professional investor / trader / eToro popular investor / entrepreneur, just, you know, a fucking freelancer. That's what I will be. Trading full time, so it will be even more professional than it already is. By the way, I'm trading on eToro interactive brokers, where I have actually started my trading career, and this year I've joined also Binance for crypto trading, where I will be putting lots of new money at the end of the year. Well, actually end of this summer. I'll be probably buying crypto for around $30,000 plus. We will see, but I will definitely let you know when I will do it, what am I buying, etc. So let's jump on the portfolio performance. So as we've said, you know, the month haven't been so good, but last week, guys, the most important thing that we did when I was inactive, guys, I changed the whole portfolio. We've been exposed too much to the recovery stocks, and they haven't been performing well lately. So I've cut them. Some of them I just sold entirely. Some of the positions I've reduced. And guys, I've made a whole new portfolio, which is focused on the trend that is going on right now, because we've smashed 3% just last week. The portfolio was changed to the technology side. Plus we turned into the defensive mode. Our portfolio is very defensive against the inflation, which I believe will be brutal, and we are prepared for it. I bought new mining companies, I bought new chip makers, I bought some of the commodities. I mean, we are really safe if the inflation is gonna come, and I'm so happy for that I abandoned these recovery positions, because they will not be doing so good, to be honest with you, in the near future. I mean, they'll be great for 2022 and so on, but now we are in a stage of technologies and commodities. For the future, I mean, there are some great undervalued companies, and actually the whole markets that I'm looking at. And maybe I'm gonna buy some indices plus a bunch of new companies, because lately I've changed my style. You know, we've been investing. That was our style. We've been investing, buying and holding. But to be honest with you, lately, as more and more retail investors joined to the investing ecosystem, I can see everywhere just, you know, buy and hold, we buy and hold, we never sell. Well, bro, I mean, the strategy was good, but when everyone's gonna do it, when so-called the stupid money which hedge funds call the retail investors, they call them stupid money. No offense, I'm also a retail investor, so when 99% is buying and holding, we have to change our style and we have to go against the market, which means that I've started actually trading, and it works very well so far. As I've told you, 3% up just last week. I've been doing these day trades. Well, I'm not actually scalping because scalping is just useless in my opinion. Maybe I'm gonna talk about it in the next videos, but scalping is just giving your money away and it's extremely risky. So yeah, I've started trading and it works very well so far. So we'll stay doing it because, for example, look at the crypto. Crypto is great example of retail investors buy and hold. Look at this. I mean, guys, I'm gonna talk about crypto more in depth, more in the future, but look at this. I mean, we are still in downtrend. Like, crypto is still falling and it will be falling. As we've said, as I've been telling you since I've sold all of my crypto positions on eToro, in my opinion, crypto will be falling at least until end of this summer, but we're gonna talk about it in future videos. Right now, we are maybe in some sideways trend, as we can see right now on a 4-hour chart, but the main trend on a 1-day chart is still the downtrend, guys. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. Crypto falls like 20% in 1 day and retail investors are like, oh my god, we buy and hold. They buy and hold. Crypto is next day up by 5%, okay? And they are like, oh, to the moon. Another retail investors join and they keep this price a little bit up, because if they wouldn't be doing this, the crypto will be just on free fall. But since they are doing this, crypto is falling a little slower, but still falling, guys, because the short interest is just too big and the trend is trend, guys. You cannot fight the trend. I mean, if you are a long-term investor, like, you don't give a crap about this and you want to hold your bitcoins for next 10 years, as I am holding my bitcoin for next 10 years on Coinbase, then why not? You can buy the dip, but what if the dip keeps dipping, what if the dip keeps dipping and you run out of the money? What you gonna do then? So yeah, the goal remains the same, 30% for the year. I still think that we're gonna outperform it. Literally after the summer, that's gonna be the best months for our portfolio. Summer was always shit in my history, even on interactive brokers. Summer is literally, there is low liquidity and it's just terrible time to trade. But after the summer, we're gonna fucking smash it, and I think that we might get even on that 40, bro. Like, why not? We've been there. Like, I've been the maximum that I have been in this year was like 42 or 44%. So I think that 40% benchmark is really achievable and we will get there by end of this year. And the last thing, guys, my plan is actually, I will be probably closing the whole portfolio late in this year, maybe December, or maybe I will just let it run until March next year, and I'll be closing the whole portfolio, and I'll be transforming the portfolio more to the trading side. So we're gonna be more trade based. We're not gonna go for long-term investment, but we're gonna go more for the trades, because for example, when I'm doing trades on interactive brokers, I mean, the trades, my trading is not that bad, and I think that we can do much better even on eToro, and we can outperform the markets and other traders on eToro, and literally to become the best group on the whole platform, guys, because that's the goal that I have in my head and I'm going for it. So join, guys, if you're interested in this whole path. If you want to join the group, link is down in the description, guys. Yeah, guys, so that's been all for today's video. Happy to be back. I hope you're enjoying this summertime. As you can hear, I've got fucking allergy, but yeah, I'll keep improving. As I've told you, I'm back to spam all social media and to become the best trading group on a whole fucking platform. See you guys, enjoy the weekend, and peace.